Sweet Home Chicago, this is a 12-bar blues in the key of E, but in this video I want to look at the Sessions for Robert Johnson version by Eric Clapton. I have already done the Blues Brothers version, so that one starts with this intro. That's from kind of fret 12 and 10. But this one I want to look at from the Sessions for Robert J. This is from 2004, and it kind of goes like this. Let me give you a whirl of this intro and show you why you might want to spend a couple of minutes just kind of adding some of this to your practice routine. 3, 4. And the like, you get the idea. So what is that doing? That is starting off with a hammer-on from fret 7 to fret 9. So we're picking the first finger at fret 7, but then immediately hammering on at fret 9 and giving it some vibrato. And then we're hitting string 6. And then the thinnest two strings to basically play and allude to the fact that the chord he's playing over is an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. So that is playing a D to an E note, but then playing E. So that's saying we're playing over E and the chord is E. We don't even have to play the rhythm part. We don't have to keep this going. The lead part is saying E, so we know it's an E chord. The lead part then goes, plays 4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, from the E minor pentatonic scale, but from shape 4 and then shape 3. This is very much what I think of as the Hendrix position, really, because we've got Purple Haze there as well, which I've done a full tutorial on, Voodoo Child, but this one just walks down 9, 7, 7, 5, 7. And then a really easy lick we can do here is just finish 3 strings, slide from 7 to 9, and then back again. We can also play those exact same notes here as this little blues kind of 6th. Some people think of these as blues or gospel slides. And that full first 4 bars goes 1, 2, 3, 4. The second part does very similar technique, but it adds those 2 notes, which is 8 to 9. Kind of like almost an E minor chord here. Because over this we would kind of play minor scale notes, minor pentatonic, right? So it's blues in E, so it's minor pentatonic, but we're playing minor pentatonic still here. And that gets us through that first 8 bars. So as a recap, and the one technique you've got to get here is an up pick, then a down. That's how we do that fast. We look at that in my Eric Clapton player study where we look at more of this stuff. I'll leave a link to that. Those are a bunch of exclusive videos only available at andyguitar.co.uk. If you like this style of thing, I've done all of this in my lead guitar course, really. So this is kind of a bit of promo from that, but I just want to promote you guys to look at this stuff. I think it's awesome. So let's have a look at the first 8 bars. Here we go. In 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, this are the same notes as this. I'm interchanging them because they're the same, and you should make that connection yourself. Final 4 bars, the turnaround. Look at that, so 0, 1, 2 as a hammer on, and then 0, and just the open strings. Like kind of lazy, but it adds a rhythm, it gives a vibe. Super cool. Make sure you'd add in this sort of stuff in your own blues playing if this is a sound that you enjoy. And then we play some licks basically over the A7 chord. I think the tab I'll link to below is going to play this. But I don't think he plays that note. I think he alludes to this note because that's an A7 chord, which is kind of what's happening here. So 1, 2, 3, turn around. And then, and here I'd be really, in one-to-one lessons and the stuff we talk about on the website all the time on my Monday live streams and in my courses. This is a 7th shape that we can repeat everywhere on the neck, but particularly in a blues turnaround. And then here, from a C7 to a B7 chord. And this goes from E7, E flat, D7, E, B7, C7 to B7. And then we're just on, oh, baby, don't you want to go? Oh, baby, don't you want to go? And I'd be practicing this over and over, even while he's singing. Play along to the original recording, but don't just play over this start, that first 12-bar blues. Play over every one, and then start to add variations yourself, maybe going up to 12th fret, kind of doing some kind of blues improvisation. So let's play this from the top, and let's have some fun. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the rhythm part, those are the chords, but let's play that intro again and cycle it. That ending, F7 to E7. If you enjoy that kind of thing, definitely dig into the tab and Clapton's live performances of this on YouTube. But I'll also link to my recommended videos, courses, live streams, all at andyguitar.co.uk if you like this kind of thing. Hope to see you over there. Take care. Bye-bye.